वेरी वेरी गुड आफ्टरनून क्लास 9th। हाउ आर यू ऑल? आई होप सभी बच्चे अच्छे हैं। चलिए आप लोग का आज बेसिकली आज या फिर कल हो सकता है एक दो दिन में आपका बायोलॉजी का पोर्शन आज ख़त्म हो जाएगा। ठीक है, तो टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू सम असाइनमेंट प्रॉब्लम ऑफ सेक्शन ए objective. In previous classes, we have done the subjective questions of assignment A and B. Now we are going to do objective question and answers. Okay. Today I will give you the question, and next class I will give you the answers of section A. Okay, and B and C. Today, three sections are going to covered. Okay, so section A, B, C, I'm going to give you some questions, and after that in next class you will be provided the answers of these three sections. Okay, so let's come. चलिए चला देखते हैं हम असाइनमेंट प्रॉब्लम ऑब्जेक्टिव। ओके, दिस इज योर सेक्शन ए। दिस is multiple choice single correct. Okay, so question number 1 of the multiple choice is which of the following functions is performed by parenchyma cells. ठीक है, इसके चार ऑप्शंस दिए हैं, आपको चारों में से टिक करना है जो सही वाला है। ठीक है, तो इसका आंसर आप लोगों को बेसिकली मिलेगा, लेकिन उससे पहले आप इसकी प्रैक्टिस करेंगे और उसके बाद वॉट एवर द आंसर इज़ गिवन बाय मी यू मस्ट चेक इट। ओके, आप चेक करेंगे, मैच करेंगे कितना आपने सही किया है, कितना आपसे नहीं बन पाया है, आप मुझे कमेंट करके बताएंगे और इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी श्योर। ओके, चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 देखते हैं। ब्रश बॉर्डर्ड एपिथेलियम इज फाउंड इन, किस में पाया जाता है? ठीक है, ब्रश बॉर्डर्ड एपिथेलियम इज फाउंड इन स्टोमक, स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन, फैलोपियन ट्यूब, ट्रैकिया। ठीक है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, मिडिल लेमेला इज मेड अप ऑफ पेक्टिन, स्टार्च, बोथ ए एंड बी, नन ऑफ दीज। ठीक है बच्चों, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, सेल बॉडी ऑफ न्यूरॉन कंटेनिंग द न्यूक्लियस एंड अदर सेल ऑर्गेनल्स इज कॉल्ड, क्या कहलाता है? जो सेल बॉडी न्यूरॉन्स का होता है वो न्यूक्लियस कंटेन करता है और अदर सेल्स ऑर्गेनल, उसे कहा जाता है मायोफाइब्रिल, सोमा, डेंड्राइट एंड नन ऑफ दीज। चलिए, एपिडर्मिस इज कवर्ड विथ, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 देखते हैं। एपिडर्मिस इज कवर्ड विथ कॉर्क, क्यूटिकल, लिग्निन, स्यूबेरिन। ठीक है, इनमें से कौन सा होगा, कौन सा ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट? एपिडर्मिस कवर करता है। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेल्स ऑफ ब्लड आर नॉन लिविंग। ठीक है, उस सेल्स का आपको उस ब्लड के सेल्स को बताना जो कि नॉन लिविंग है। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, the wall of cork cells are thick due to the presence of, okay, wall of cork cells are thick. Why the wall of cork cells are thick? Okay, due to cuticle or suberin, lignin and none of these. Now fill in the blanks. Question number 8, a tendon attached dash to a, tendon is attached dash to a dash to a dash. Okay, now question number 9, pseudostratified epithelium lines the dash tract while traditional epithelium lines the dash tract. Okay, now question number 10, lacuna of bones house dash while lacuna of cartilage contain dash. Now 11 number, the tendon contains bundles of dash fibers and row of dash cells between them. Now question 12, plasma contains about dash percent of water. 13, red blood corpuscles have a life of about dash days. Very important question. Okay, now question number 14, true or false. Okay, stated muscle is indefatigable. Okay, it is true or false, you have to say. Question number 15 of true or false is fibroblast store fat in adipose tissue? Question number 16. Urinary bladder is lined by a stratified epithelium. 17. Nissls granules are found in the granulocytes. 18. Abnormal rise in red blood corpuscles count is called polycythemia. Polycythemia. 19. Stratified squamous epithelium covers most surfaces like buccal cavity. Okay, this is your 19 number question. Now question number 20 is match the following. Match the following cell types of structure to the tissues they are part of. Okay, cell types, tissue, platelets, chondrocytes, fascia, osteocytes, fibroblast, neuroglia, adipocytes, actin and myosin filament. Tissue, cartilage, blood, loose connective tissue, muscles, adipose tissue, bone, nervous tissue, dense connective tissue. So these 20 questions are containing section A. Now we will discuss about the section B. Okay, the first question of the section B is adipose tissue stores what? Protein, carbohydrates, fat droplets, or all of these. Now question 2. A nerve impulse passed from one neuron to other neuron across Nissls granules, histocytes, synapses, none of these. Question number 3. In hyaline cartilage matrix is A. Granular, transparent, or granular, semi-transparent. Question number 4. Tissue connecting bones is, the first option is tendon, B. ligament, C. alveolar tissue, D. adipose tissue. Okay, which option is correct? You have to answer. Now question number 5. Heart muscles are visceral, smooth, skeletal, cardiac. Okay, so section B contains 5 of the questions. Okay, now we will come to the section C, and B, C are very important. A, B, C are very important. Section C. The first question is, a main carbohydrates are stored in muscles, liver and muscles, none of the above. Now question number 2. The heart of man is neurogenic, myogenic, diegenic, monogenic. Okay. Question number 3. The chief difference between the erythrocytes of man and frog is, option number A is human erythrocytes have 2 nuclei, B. Human erythrocytes have no nuclei, C. Human erythrocytes have many nuclei, D. None of the above. 4. The trunks of trees increase in girth because of mitotic activity in the vascular tissue, epidermis, meristematic tissue, or pith. Question number 5. What do you mean by closed vascular bundle? Cambium present, cambium absent, periderm absent, none of these. Now 6 number. Complex tissue consists of different types of cells carrying out the same function, different types of cell carrying out different function, same type of cells having the same origin and carry the same function, different types of cell having the same origin and carry the same function. ठीक है, इसका स्क्रीनशॉट आप ले सकते हैं या क्वेश्चंस को प्रीव्यू करके आप इसका आंसर देंगे. ओके, दिस विल बी होमवर्क फॉर यू ऑल गाइस टुडे. In next class I am going to give you the answer of all the questions. The mechanical tissue consisting of living cells is the sclerenchyma, collenchyma, parenchyma and chlorenchyma. In higher plants, food is conducted by epidermis, phloem, guard cells, all of these. 9 number. Cartilage consists of lymph, chondrocytes, axon, None of these. 10. Hemoglobin is found dissolved in the plasma of toad, earthworm, bird, hydra. Okay, so these 10 questions are very important of section C. Now we will going to discuss about the answers in next class. Okay, that's all for today's class. Thank you.